Hello, in front of me I've got Nikon Z30. In this video I'll tell you the meaning of modes. Let's start with M mode, which is manual mode. In this mode you have full control over both shutter, speed and aperture, best for experienced user or tricky lighting situations. Now, let's take a look at the A mode. A is Aperture Priority Auto. You set the aperture and the camera picks the shutter speed. Great for controlling depth of field, for example using wide aperture for blurry backgrounds. The S is Shutter Priority Auto. You choose the shutter speed and the camera automatically selects the appropriate aperture. This is useful for freezing motion or creating motion blur. The P is Programmed Auto. The camera automatically selects both the shutter speed and aperture for balanced exposure. You can still adjust other settings like ISO, white balance and exposure compensation. Next we've got fully automatic mode, user 1, 2 and 3. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.